So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a pre-primed black canvas and something different today. Today, after having a discussion last night with someone via email as to, they said they were taping over the back of their canvases. This is a really almost run out press and seal. But they said they were taping over the back of their canvases to try and keep them from being messy. And I said, I use brown paper on the back of mine, but we'll try the press and seal. And this is what that looks like. This was not a long enough sheet. I went from here down, and it was only this long to begin with. But I trimmed in and left that, and then I trimmed in and I left that. And we'll see how this works. In any case, I did it with scissors. I think a razor blade will work better, and I will try and do this. If this works out, I will actually do one showing how to do that. So I've got a short piece here. It's not perfect, but in any case, this is a black and white contemporary piece of modern art that's going to take about a minute in case you want to do it. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. These are the lids from chicken salad. You could use lids from anything, and you could turn them either way up. Not that the square ones would be that way. So anyway, when I go to prime a canvas, I usually put down some paint. Ooh, that's pretty. And how I do that is just to put it in the center in any way I want. Well, more than the center. And then I take my spatula and I drag it across. And it makes cool patterns. And you have instant modern art. In my opinion, anyway. And I thought I would share that with you, just in case you ever wanted some. Something really fast. It's about 95 degrees today underneath my canopy. So anything I do has to be super fast. And I have to say that I think that qualifies. Now, do I want to do one last little mark to that center? I kind of do. There we go. And that, as they say, is that. I'm done. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, you could probably drag other spatulas through here. Kind of want to try that. Ooh, that's neat. Let's do that some more. I've never tried this before. I have GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. So what that means is that it won't crack if it's left heavy. This is a Princeton number 1. I'm going to wipe off my excess paint. I don't think I need a lot more of that. A lot more spatulaing, but I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to take my Princeton number 2 and scrape away some more because it's cool and I'm having a good time. I do sell my artwork. My email address is below the link tree, which has all my other links, including Saatchi, Pinterest, Instagram, my website, Fine Art America, Pixels.com, and all of my Facebook pages, of which there are quite a few. They may not all be out there, actually, but Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. I think that's just fun. But then I'm a big fan of black and white anyway. And what else is on my list? I have Teespring clothing below the video. I usually do this with a more of a grid pattern, but I don't think I mind that that's a little off either. Because this is just fun. It looks like another aerial view of something or other. But it's simple. And please give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing some of my other videos, I have 1,360 of them plus. And you can find them by going to Creative Playlists, All Playlists, or All Playlists, Creative Playlists. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I think the pandemic is pretty much in hand. And I only take one student at a time, and you can use my email to inquire about that, and I'll give you a phone number and we can chat. Schedule something for the future if you want. What else do I have? I said Teespring was all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts underneath the video. Fine Art America and Pixels.com are also easily accessed through the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, which will take you directly there, and there's like 1,300 items. So anyway, This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, planning on doing one that's black on white next. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link where you can shop at no added cost to you, and it will help support the production of videos. Which reminds me, there is a drawing every month, and in the end of the third week I draw a name for one of the paintings that you can see shown on the exhibition video that should be on the end screen of any video in the last 20 seconds. I love you guys. I want a little more paint right there. Because I can. I could probably dab some of this. If I left more black space, I could definitely dab some of the paint that I took off with the spatula. But that's going to go in the bucket. And I will see you guys anon. I love you all. Keep coming back for more. Thank you for the wonderful comments. And thank you for all the contributions that have helped keep me painting all this time. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you. Binge watch some videos for me, would you? Thank you.